Hey, here we are at AV Perfection, and I'll show you our new cases that we're just doing for Video Wall. Um, they're right here behind me, two of them. They're pretty big cases, but they're all composite construction, so they're stronger and actually lighter weight than a typical plywood road case. Brandon behind me there did all the work on the cases. And we're going to walk through how to open them and deploy the actual video wall systems. So on the cases, there is latches. So if you take the latches and undo them and pop them all open, it's basically a clamshell design where the two halves of the upper case come apart, and you're able to take the front and back off. And Brandon's going to do that right now. I'm going to take the back half of the first display off, and there you go. A nice view of it in the case. You can see the video wall processor down there. And here comes the front of the displays. We have a foam hat that these wear inside the cases to help protect them during shipping. We'll open the other set of cases, and then we'll show you the good stuff here. All of these are on motorized mounts, which bring the video wall out of the cases. And Brandon's going to be demoing that here in a little bit. Second case opened. And there's a trick to one of these. This case, as you can see, has bottom half. Well, not a half, but a little slice of this end comes off of this as well. And what that allows is it allows us to push the edge of the video wall together to create a complete 2x2 video wall solution in road cases that you can roll right into your trade show booth, or these are actually going to military, so they're going to be used next week in Iraq, I believe. So Brandon's going to get these cases next to one another, and then he's going to power up the case. And now we have the motorized TVs coming up out of the case right behind me. And they come all the way up. These are 255 stacked on top of one another. And once they're fully deployed, he'll do the same thing with the other set. So pretty quick, actually, to set up a video wall. Usually a video wall will take you about a few hours in setup time at minimum. So this is going to cut that down to mere minutes. So here come the other two out of the case shortly. Any second now. There they go. Once these come all the way out of the case, then what we'll do is we'll push these two cases together, and on the back we have some locking mechanisms that push the panels together and align them. so that you, again, have a complete video wall solution. And Brandon's bringing those up out of the case. Here they come. They're fully deployed. 2 cases go next to one another. Now we'll go around the back, and you can see we have these mechanisms that kind of slide and push these panels together. There we go. So we have another trick that we're gonna use here. That locks the panel so that they're all flush in the front. Now we have one more device that we use, which is a bar clamp, which we just put on the panels, pull them together nice and tight. And now we have a full video wall solution. On the back here, we have an input plate with 4 inputs. Brandon's connecting the other 2 displays into the video wall processor. So we have that 4 inputs right there, all HDMI. And Brandon's going to hook up, I believe, a laptop to that right now. And yeah, and we'll show you this full 2 by 2 video wall. Brandon will be putting content on it here in a second. We totally customize any cases. So anything you're looking for in road cases, we build everything out of composite. We don't use plywood. Not that we're not a fan of plywood. It's just that if you can save weight, it saves money in shipping costs. And they're also stronger cases. So it's a win-win all the way around. Yes, they are a few bucks more, but well worth the money. And here comes content. There we go. The big audio video perfection logo. And nice and easy, nice and simple to deploy. And there it is when you split screens and put different content on each one. And there's also an infrared remote that you can use to control the system that we'll be finalizing here in a second. Thank you, and if you need anything in custom cases, give us a call. 716-235-8524 is our number. Thanks. Bye.